I've been asked, what do you do if you like the look of a lot of wire at the top, but you have a vertical drill bead and you want the look of a ball pin so that it looks more finished? And there's a hack. What I do is, this is not enough for you to be able to wrap lots around. And if you don't solder to make your own ball thereafter, there is a way. And what it is first, and this is really short, you wrap it as much as you can and tuck it in like such and trim it. I do a loop first, I figure out that's where I'm going to go, and then I wrap. And the reason why I put that down at the bottom like this is I want it not to stick out. I can trim the excess like this, and then now I go and just take it slowly. And sometimes it's a lot easier if you are wrapping the bead, turning the bead, and holding on the wire like such. And slowly I go down. Make sure that you cut enough wire so that you can go as many times around. And sometimes it takes a bit of math or just eyeballing, leaving excess, and you can always trim off more later. But you see, that way, because I had tucked in the end first, it worked really well, and none is showing. So now in around here, or maybe I'll just leave it here, I want it to go up like this. You need to hold onto the bottom so that it doesn't go unraveling all the way up. It's much easier to use dead soft wire or soft wire versus hard, which, there you go, you see? And then I go around a couple of times. In the process of doing that, I've been holding down that bit. So now I just want the loop up top to be rounded. I go like this. And there you have one that has a lot of metal at the top.